Maverick Anmisi is out of the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel and joins his brother Jeric Anmisi sa Terra Firma Jeep. You know what time it is? Hands in. I think it's about time this happened. Halos full circle moment to para sa kanila kasi obviously they're brothers, pero para kay Mav kasi medyo mas malalim yung ugat kung bakit gusto niya magpa-trade. It's because he's 34, medyo bumababa din yung level ng playing time niya because I think Ginebra is focused on other things at nakadepende kay Coach Tim Cone kung ipapasok ba siya o hindi. So like for example, para sa mga daily fantasy players, para hindi kayo malito hindi na siya sa Ginebra, sa Terra Firma na siya. So, yun yung mga pagtutuunan yung matches. I think from the looks of it, parang ang gusto talaga ni Coach Tim Cone ay maibabad na si RJ Abarientos because he has the potential of being one of the best playmakers na meron tayo sa PBA. So, in terms of minutes, for daily fantasy players, baka magdalawang isip tayo na ilagay si Maverick Ahanmisi, mas pipiliin na lang natin si RJ Abarientos kasi mas marami siyang minuto eh. And that has also been the problem of Maverick Ahanmisi kaya gusto niyang lumipat. Ang magiging challenge lang siguro dito para sa kanya is marami ring guards sa Terra Firma. Mark Nonoy is there. Pero pakiramdam ko kaya pa rin naman yung magkaminuto dito. He's a playmaker but he can also get buckets whenever necessary. And Terra Firma's gonna need a veteran. But would you say this is a win trade or would you say that this is a bad trade? Para sa akin, it's a win for him. He gets minutes. And that's what he wants. Because he's not getting any younger. So, you know, hanggat nakakatakbo ka pa, hanggat kondisyon ka pa, you have to be given an opportunity para maglaro. And at the age of 34, I think you're no longer in a position to fight for your spot. Dapat iyon na yun eh. Kasi na-prove mo na yung sarili mo. So kung ilalagay ko yung utak ko sa utak niya, baka yun yung naiisip niya.